This setup right here is one reason why photography is so expensive. Yeah, the 50mm 1.2 GM lens in Nigeria goes for nothing less than 3.250 million. Can you imagine? That is 3.250 million naira. This lens alone. The body goes for 3.250 also. That's like what? 7M right here. Holding right here. South Moitis. This is 7M. This is the money that will get me a Toyota Camry in Nigeria for 7M. This used Toyota Camry. Now this right here goes for approximately 3.5 million. The lens, 3.5 to 4 million naira for the lens. The body is also 3.250. So right here with me, I have the money that can afford a Venza, Toyota Venza in Nigeria. I don't own it, because if I do right now, I'll be in Canada. I don't own it. It is rented from a company in Nigeria. They gave me this 50mm 1.2, 7200 and two A74 bodies. I don't own them because it's so damn expensive. But yes, we can rent it. Now, this is one reason why when photography is so expensive. Imagine putting down 10 million naira to get a body like this. You get, it's so expensive, and this will give you amazing pictures. You can use cheap cameras, cheap lenses, but remember, if you want to charge high money, you want to charge good money, you must offer what? Good services, must offer good quality. Yeah, it's not about the camera, it's about the photographer. Forget it. It's about the camera and the photographer. It's about the gears and the photographer. It's not only about the photographer. A good photographer without good gears makes no sense. Good photographer with good gears, you are the sniper. You're gonna kill it. So let's go. This lens is heavy. Like I'm doing right now. It's so heavy. This lens for a whole day at a wedding. Oh my god. It's killing right now. It's killing. It's heavy. Oh my.
Why you do me like that? Why you do me like that, bro? Hallelujah, hallelujah. Why you do me like that? Why you do me like